Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have Bitcoin daily update. Let's see guys, where are we going and which price we need to break in order to see a very significant swing high for Bitcoin. We will talk about the exact price we need to break, and of course guys, if you want to join our monthly subscription, you will get easy profits, automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, videos and many more. I have the link in the description down below. Only 50 people can join in, so don't be late guys for this. Join in right now, it is for your best. Also join our Telegram group chat, link is in the description down below. Both of these links guys are in the description down below. The first one is MindYourCrypto, buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto, and the next one is the Telegram MindYourCrypto Grow Together. You will check them out. And of course right now we want to see eventually where are we going for Bitcoin. You can see different price labels here. First of all, let me talk about the Fibonacci retracement that I have drawn, starting from this top right here, 15th June, ending up to this bottom, 22nd June. The reason is very simple guys. I just want to find major resistance levels, and you can see here we went to 35,000 Tether USD, then we went all the way down. So what do we need right now in order to break this lower low pattern and lower high? We need now to move above the 35,000 Tether USD. This is the most critical level in order to go afterwards to 36,500, right? Because we might go there, and of course if we can make this a support level, next price target is the 38,700 guys for Bitcoin, right? So eventually we need to see whether we can go upwards or downwards. You can see the price support levels, the major support levels that we have is the 30,000 Tether USD, and of course my price prediction for Bitcoin guys, 26,500, around 26 actually, 27,000, around there guys. It is my price prediction for the midterm. So you can see now the 20-day EMA is below the 50-day EMA, the yellow line is below the red line, so we don't have any bullish recross here yet for Bitcoin, right? And you can see that from the time we are getting a little bit above the 50-day EMA, we are correcting. Let's go now to the RSI. On the RSI guys, we are not having an overbought situation, right? We are at 50, we are between 30 the bottom line and 70 the top line for the RSI for this indicator guys, the default settings. And for the commodity channel index, we don't have any overbought situation at all. We are between -100 and 100, right? So which indicator can tell us a little bit of a correction on the next few hours? The stochastic RSI guys, we are getting a little bit above the 80. You can see here we might find a little bit of a correction, but according to the other indicators guys, we don't have any risk involved. However, can we go down from here? Yes, we can guys. We have seen that sometimes in the past, right, where we went upwards and went all the way down. You can see that as well. We went from an oversold situation here and then we collapsed again. Yes, we can do that. However, what we want to see is the commodity channel index going into an overbought situation, and we want to break some important resistance levels. Our first resistance level is the 33,600 Tether USD, and of course our major resistance level guys, the 35,000 Tether USD. So where are we going from now on, right? Breaking the 35,000 will get us to 36,500, and breaking the 36,500, making it as a support level, will get us to 38,700, right? But of course, losing this support level guys at 30,000 around there, Tether USD, will get us further down, and it will be a sign of a very bearish moment for the Bitcoin. However guys, how could we identify that we will have this swing high? If I go to the 6-hour frame, you will see we have a nice hammer candle right here. So it was the start of a swing high. It was formed yesterday guys, and of course yesterday we knew that we will have a little bit of a swing high upwards guys. On the daily you can see now that we are finding a little bit of resistance on the 20-day EMA, on the 6-hour frame, sorry guys, not on the daily frame. On the 6-hour frame we are finding some resistance on the 20-day EMA. But let's see guys how much we moved upwards, starting from this bottom, let's say, ending up to this top, almost 9% upwards, guys, for Bitcoin. Let's go to the daily frame a little bit to see some important things. You can clearly see that we haven't yet gone above the 50-day EMA. Yes, we have gone above the 20-day EMA, but as long as we went there, we had a huge correction, and now we want to see if we can break, first of all, the 20-day EMA, secondly, the 50-day EMA. It will be very, very good, but of course, guys, the exponential moving averages don't come first. The exponential moving averages always follow the price action, so they lag behind, right? You can't just check the exponential moving averages first, but they give you an idea of how the price will move in the future. So right now, guys, you can see that after having the bearish cross here of the 20-day MA between the 20 and the 50-day MA, the 20-day MA crossing down the 50-day MA, then we knew that this was a very, very bearish moment for Bitcoin, because it has to happen since, guys, let's see here, guys, around October 2020. So therefore we knew that the bull run from this indicator right here was pretty over. Of course, we had the MACD on the weekly frame, we had the RSI on the daily, the commodity channel index on the daily, the week off distribution, guys, that could tell us that we are approaching a top, and of course this bearish moment right here, losing this support level, was very crucial in order to say that we are going downwards, right? So eventually, guys, apart from all the hype that Bitcoin had, that we could go to 100k, I think that it was pretty enormous hype, and it was without technical analysis, right? It was just some people randomly appearing and saying that Bitcoin will hit 100,000 by May, right? Which was pretty far from the truth, right? So therefore you can see the price targets we have for Bitcoin, which price targets we need to break right now, and especially our main target, 35,000 Tether. Let's see the daily, guys, the RSI and the commodity channel index. On the daily frame, guys, we can grow more. We are not into this overbought situation. Therefore, what we need to see now is maybe if we can break and go all the way for the Bitcoin. The RSI is not in an oversold situation. However, we managed to keep this support level right here, and of course, keep getting the higher lows. Also, we want to see if we can break the head and shoulders pattern. You can see left shoulder, head, right shoulder for the RSI. We want to see eventually if we can break and go even higher, because this would mean, guys, that we can go even higher. And of course, our major resistance level for the RSI is this right here, the 56 around there. If we break that, guys, this will mean that we can go further above from 41,000 Tether USD, and a little bit further above. We can break this resistance line right here, have a significant swing high, and then fall down, right? So eventually, let's take it step by step. 35,000 Tether USD is our next target, of course, if we can surpass the 33,600, and therefore surpassing the 35,000 will get us to the 36,500 and 38,700. According to the indicators, guys, on the daily, on the 4-hour frame, we can go even higher, right? So we are not standing into an overbought or into an oversold situation, but we need to surpass the 35,000 in order to see the lower low and lower high pattern stopping right here. Thank you so much for watching. Join our monthly subscription, guys, and of course our Telegram group chat. See you soon with many more videos, and have a fantastic day wherever you are. Bye.